I'm Motor City Maggie, and on this channel I usually talk about cars, but today I am talking about car seats and strollers because I have been gifted a brand new car seat and stroller from Britax, which is an American company that's been here for over 50 years. They are very heavily awarded and they have been given so many accolades because of their emphasis on safety and because of their incredible products. So I'm excited to put my trust in them as I bring my baby boy home from the hospital because I'm 8 months pregnant, due in February with my first child. So before we get into this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Motor City Maggie so you don't miss any of my automotive and now stroller and car seat content. Let's get into this Britax walk around of my new car seat and stroller. For this unboxing, I am definitely going to enlist the help of my husband, Craig. So come on, Craig, let's get unboxing these brand new products. We first have the Britax Grove stroller. So excited about this. And this one is the Britax Cypress infant car seat. And this car seat and stroller are going to work really well together.
Hey.
Okay, so we did it. We set up the car seat and stroller for the first time, and it's really not that hard. Craig and I are just first-time parents, so we're just learning how these kinds of baby gear work. But the stroller is absolutely beautiful, and I love the car seat, and it's just gonna be so great for our baby. So let's first take a look at the Grove stroller with the Cozy Fit insert. This is $380. There are 6 different ways to configure this stroller. This is so versatile, and they are all demonstrated right here on the box. So you can see that there are positions for both a car seat and the basket that comes standard with the stroller. Here we've got Craig demonstrating the one-hand fold feature. Great job, Dad. So this is the Cozy Fit insert, and what I love about it is fully removable and you can wash and throw it in the dryer. So what I've heard is a lot of car seat inserts, you have to hang dry them, but this one can actually go in the dryer and it doesn't have any extra fire retardant chemicals, so it's really safe for baby. And this insert is safe for babies over 10 pounds. Okay, so we also have a very convenient visor, and then this clip right here will allow you to adjust the angle at which your baby is sitting. And then there is an extendable sun visor for those very sunny California days that we certainly have here in Los Angeles. And there's even a peekaboo window with a little mesh so you can spy on baby and make sure that they're doing okay. And it is a magnet cover. So I like that. It isn't any loud Velcro. It's really easy to snap it closed. There's also a really easy to adjust harness right here and a removable bumper bar so you can get your baby in really easily and they can rest their hands on it, an adjustable footrest, and look at this, a really large basket underneath the stroller. So I could take it grocery shopping and put my diaper bag and all the accessories I need in there. And check out the tires. They are no flat tires, so they won't get flat on you. And you have all-wheel suspension, which as a car girl, I love. Okay, so Craig has now taken the Cypress infant car seat off of the base and is now attaching it to the Grove stroller. Good job. So that clicked in pretty easily. And here it is. This is what the infant car seat looks like on the Grove stroller. We're ready to go with our little guy. Okay, Craig's going to demonstrate taking it out. He pulls on the button on the back and then just gives it a good solid grab. All right. And then it clicks back in. Will you show us? And it clicks right back in. Easy. It doesn't require any extra base or equipment. It just clicks right in. I love that. This is a rear-facing car seat that can hold a baby 4 to 30 pounds. It has something called ClickTight Installation, where you open it up and use your seat belt inside of the vehicle to thread it through and then click it tight to make sure that it is secure. And we are not going to install that today because we are running out of daylight, but I am confident that it is going to be easy to use. Now, if you don't want to use your car seat belt, you can also use the lower anchor and tether for children's system because it does come with the latch system and latch straps that you can click into those lower anchors. So this car seat is made with premium performance fabrics. It's a double knit mélange accent that provides a soft sheen and a smooth finish for your baby. And it has safe wash fabric. So there's no more hand washing or waiting for the cover to air dry because you can just throw it in your washer and your dryer. I love that. There's also naturally flame retardant materials and no added flame retardant chemicals. You have a UPF 50 canopy with a sun visor, love that, and a little mesh peekaboo window so you can spy on your baby. And we've got 3 padded inserts that you can remove as your baby grows. The car seat is also side impact tested and is designed to keep your baby safe in an accident. And we've got this lightweight aluminum handle, and there you go. I can easily carry the baby. I think the trick is you're supposed to go like this. That's what I've seen online. Have you guys tried this trick? Actually, it feels pretty good that way. Or you can carry it the traditional way, like this. All right, baby, let's go for a walk. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much again to Britax for gifting me these incredible products. I cannot wait to bring my baby boy home in this car seat and then use this stroller on all of our adventures when we are out in the world. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a like and leave a nice comment and subscribe to Motor City Maggie so you don't miss any of my automotive content. Until next time, motor on. Bye.